I purchased this King grinder about a month ago, kind of a gift for myself. It has been a great grinder, and I thought here we'd talk about it just a little bit. Pretty heavy. It's got some substantial weight to it. You can adjust it in microns right across here on the top. This is what I found, about 48 is what I like for my coffees. This is where you add the beans. So we will have some ready. We'll pour those in. You put the beans in right there. Put the cap on. Grab the handle. And then I won't trivialize it. Depending on your coffee, grinding this can take some real energy. Then you simply unscrew the base here, and now you've got all your nice coffee. So that's what the beans look like, and we go from there. Just dump it in your So the pros on this grinder is it is certainly substantial. Seems like it ought to last a lifetime. It is really heavy and durable. I don't think it's going anywhere. It does take some effort to grind it, so if you're limited in your strength, I'm not sure it would be your best choice. I'm not sure if there's any better, but this is a nice one. It does not come with a case, a traveling case, which I was a little disappointed in, but the box it comes in is not bad, and I actually keep it in there, so in there. So I give it definitely a thumbs up. A negative would certainly be the price.